Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming two essentials. Your WhatsApp is updated, and the sender can resend the clip. Once done, open the chat and ask the sender to send the one-time video again. This step matters because one-time view media is restricted by design. Make sure you do not already have the message open in another device, otherwise the view will be consumed there. Also, turn off battery saver modes that might suspend background processes, because connectivity disruptions can abort the viewing flow. When the sender resends, you must tap the video thumbnail to initiate the one-time play. Tap once and watch in that moment. Once started, stay on screen until playback completes. Leaving the chat or switching apps can mark it viewed without full playback. If you use WhatsApp multi-device, ensure the active device is the one where you want to view, because opening elsewhere consumes the view. Remember why? One-time videos are encrypted and controlled to protect sender privacy, so the app enforces single access. After the playback finishes, the message will usually disappear or mark as viewed. Confirm with the sender whether they will resend if you need another look. If the video fails to play, first restart WhatsApp and reconnect to Wi-Fi or cellular, then ask the sender to resend. This resolves most sync or network issues. If problems persist, avoid third-party workarounds because they break encryption and may not work. Instead, update the app or try viewing on the sender's agreed device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.